Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I am sitting in a 2022 Isuzu MU-X and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the cabin air conditioning filter. Now in this car the cabin air conditioning filter is actually found behind the glove box, and I'll reposition the camera now and show you how to remove that. Okay, so with the glove box actually open, all you're going to do is pull it at the bottom and pop the hinges out, and then we can go ahead and move it from side to side and just nice and easily take these two rubber stops away from there. So this is what our glove box looks like when it's off, and they're the hinge clips on the bottom that you release first. Now I'll just show you what's inside. Okay, now looking inside the glove box, we can actually see this cap here that says up with an arrow. This is where our cabin air conditioning filter is actually found. So just go ahead, undo the clip to the left and right, pull that down, and then you will see this filter here that also has an arrow pointing up. Nice and easy just to take that out. That is what our cabin air conditioning filter looks like. So this is a brand new car, so it's a brand new filter. But once you've got your new one, or you've cleaned this one out, we're just going to go ahead, slide that straight back in, making sure the arrow is still pointing up. Getting your black plastic cap and also clipping that in. And then we go ahead and put our glove box back. To put the glove box back on, all we're going to do is get the rubber grommets back into their position and then slide the hinges down and click them all the way in. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the cabin air conditioning filter on a 2022 Isuzu MU-X. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.